Hey guys, I'm Teddy from NorthFire. We're going to be cooking on the Inferno Infrared Grill, making spicy Hawaiian burgers.
Along with buns and your favorite condiments, you'll need breadcrumbs, ground beef, 1 egg, and some Worcestershire sauce. To 1 pound of ground beef, add 1 large egg, season with salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and mix well, dividing into 4 portions. Form into 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch patties. Place the patties onto the grill plate and slide into the second rack. Cook for approximately 2 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of your patties. Flip the burgers and cook for an additional 2 minutes, shorter if you prefer them medium, slightly longer if you prefer them well done. Set the burgers aside. Place pineapple rings on the grill plate and slide into the first rack, cooking for approximately 30 seconds per side. Flip the rings, slide them back in, and cook for an additional 20 to 30 seconds. Add the pineapple rings to your burger, dress with spicy sriracha sauce and your favorite condiments. It's as easy as that. Please follow our channel at NorthFire Ltd for more recipes, and check out northfire.com to learn more about the Inferno Infrared Grill.